Welcome to Lakeshore RV. My name's Steve Skydema. Today I have the honor of showing you the brand new 2023 Cougar half-ton 22 MLS. Let's go take a look inside. Guys, don't let the size fool you. 22 it says on the outside, but look at all the room inside. You actually have two seating areas. You have a dinette and your recliners over here. Just above the dinette is a great entertainment center. You have your TV location up here. It's on a cantilever mount, so that'll come out. Extra storage on both sides of it. Speaking of storage, you have storage underneath both of the benches here, and then a nice pantry leading into the kitchen area. Guys, in the back, the kitchen, great countertop space on both sides, which is kind of unique for the size travel trailer. And again, check out all the storage on it, guys. Something you're just generally not going to find in a trailer this size. Pretty easy to see why this is their #1 selling travel trailer right now. Into the kitchen area, Furrion microwave on top with the Furrion stove underneath. 3-burner stovetop, full oven on it. Oven light as well. More storage right here, guys. Next to it is your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. This is a 10 cubic foot, so about 2 cubic feet bigger than what they had previously in this model. As we're continuing forward, we have our theater seats right here. These are great, they both recline, and then on the side they have heat and massage USB outlet to charge your phone, and then like I said, they do recline right here, both of them. Up to the front area, big king bed. This is one of the few brands, guys, that's actually gonna have a king bed. But not only that, but check out the storage underneath. You have the hydraulic struts that are going to keep it open for you, and just a massive storage area underneath the bed. And then speaking of storage, wardrobe hanging on both sides of the bed here, and then overhead storage as well. And then another unique piece to the Cougar is the windshield up front. It has a screen that'll pull down to give you privacy, but it just really opens the entire coach up when that's open so you can see out and get more natural light inside. Guys, inside this great bathroom, you have a nice porcelain foot flush toilet, undermount sink, and just a really good sized walk-in shower. There's also storage in here for linen as well. Guys, that's the inside. Let's take a look outside. All right, guys, on the outside of this 22 MLS, right at the entrance, you'll notice the nice lippered solid step stairs that flip up inside. Great screen door on this too. This is pretty cool, to where you don't have to open and let the bugs in to use your screen door. Next to that, we're gonna have our great pass-through storage. If you look at this, guys, this goes all the way through. Good area to store utility stuff, tote chairs, camp chairs, anything you need. And then around to the front, new for 2023 is gonna be the Dragonfly lithium batteries. There's 2 included in this camper, along with the 200-watt solar on top that's gonna continuously charge those batteries. It'll give you a lot of runtime for your lights, your slide outs, your furnace, all your 12-volt items. Just in front of that, we have 2 30-pound propane tanks and then your power tongue jack. Nice lighting on the front as well. You can notice Cougar with their painted cap, the windshield right here, and then the amber lights. Guys, as we come over to the off door or the non-camping side, we have the continuation here of the pass-through storage. And then just to the right of that is new for 2023 is the tankless hot water heater that's going to be in all the Cougars. Nice docking station. If you look at this, you have your outside shower right here, your black tank flush, and then also your tank fill and city water connection. Moving to the back of the camper, guys, this is a 30-amp camper. What that means is it's set up for the 1 AC. It has a detachable cord in the back here. And then as we come to the very back of the camper, you'll notice a ladder up to the roof. It is a full walkable roof on this Cougar here. And then just next to the ladder is the Key TV. This again is going to be a Keystone exclusive where you can plug in your cable or satellite dish directly to this and it will feed throughout the camper. Spare tire off the back, 2-inch receiver hitch. And guys, as we come back around, check out this awning. 19-foot awning, LED light strips all the way underneath, and then your 2 exterior speakers, which will play right off your Bluetooth stereo. Guys, this is a great camper. We're excited to have it in stock for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me at 231-736-9162. Have a great day. Thank you.